Hey friends, welcome back to Bosi Eats. Today we're making some sweet, saucy, flavorful mango jerk wings, and listen, your favorite wing spot might have a little competition after this one. Now the wings are already washed with lime and vinegar and patted dry. I always say starting with clean chicken just sets the tone for the whole recipe. Now let's season these wings. I'm adding all-purpose seasoning, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little baking powder. Now let me tell you why I add the baking powder, because I know somebody in the comments is going to ask. Baking powder helps dry out the skin just enough so the wings can get better texture in the oven. It helps with browning and gives you that beautiful color without frying. Next, I'm drizzling over a little olive oil, and we are going to rub everything into the wings really well. You want every piece coated evenly because every bite deserves flavor. Now, I lined my roasting pan with foil because, listen, easy cleanup is self-care. Place the wings into the roasting pan and cover tightly with foil. Covering the wings allows the heat and moisture to stay trapped inside, which helps the seasonings and flavor really penetrate the chicken while keeping the wings juicy and tender. Now these are going in the oven at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. And while the wings are baking, let's make the sauce, because this right here is the star of the show. First, let's mince about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. And honestly, there can never be too much garlic in my kitchen because garlic adds so much flavor. It's also known to support your immune system and heart health, so we're seasoning with purpose. Next, I'm grating some fresh ginger. Ginger adds such a warm, fresh flavor to the sauce. And it's also amazing for digestion and inflammation. Plus, ginger and mango together, chef's kisses. Now into the saucepan, I'm adding my mango puree. I'm using store-bought mango puree today because we're keeping it realistic and convenient. Work smart, not hard. To that, I'm going to add some ketchup, then the minced garlic, grated ginger, honey, and jerk marinade. And speaking of the jerk marinade, I actually have a full video showing how I make authentic Jamaican jerk chicken from scratch, including the marinade, so definitely go check that video out after this one. But if you don't feel like making it homemade, store-bought works perfectly fine. Cooking should feel enjoyable, not stressful. Next, I'm adding about a quarter teaspoon of paprika, and honestly, this is mainly for the color more than flavor. It just helps deepen that beautiful, rich orange red tone in the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of lime juice for balance because we need that little brightness to cut through the sweetness. Now give everything a really good stir. And now for the best part, butter. I'm adding about 4 tablespoons, but honestly, measure with your heart. The butter makes the sauce rich, glossy, smooth, and luxurious. At this point, the kitchen smells so good. Sweet mango, garlic, ginger, jerk seasoning. Amazing. Now, let's go check on the wings. You want to check for tenderness first. The wing should look juicy and cooked through. Now pour that beautiful sauce all over the wings and make sure every single piece is coated evenly. And don't be shy with the sauce either because these are saucy wings, not dry wings. Now these are going under the broiler for about 5 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The sauce starts caramelizing around the edges, the color deepens, and everything gets sticky, glossy, and absolutely irresistible. While that finishes, let's prepare our garnish. I'm chopping up some fresh green onions for color and freshness. Now, we're going to plate these wings up. So grab your favorite platter and add as many wings as your heart tells you to. Clip not shown, and I totally missed this. I'm sorry. We cannot forget the lime wedges. They're not just for garnish either. Squeezing fresh lime over these wings right before eating takes the flavor to another level. Try it. Let me know. Look at these wings. The color, the glaze, the sauce. Absolutely beautiful. And look how juicy they are. The meat is literally falling right off the bone. Sweet, smoky, spicy, garlicky, buttery. Every bite is packed with flavor. This mango jerk wing recipe just made it to the top of my favorite wings list. And honestly, I already know I'm making these again soon. I want to know in the comments, what's your favorite wing flavor? Because I'm always looking for new combinations to try. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Bosi Eats for more cozy, flavorful recipes.